Hey, what is up, everyone? Here's how to do a street view on Google Maps. Now, there are actually two ways in order for us to do street view in Google Maps, and I'm going to show you both. So, the first things first is we're just going to go ahead and find some location, say, for example, somewhere around here. And then what you are going to do is head over here to the bottom right of your screen, and you should be able to see this little man icon here. Now, you can just go ahead and drag this one to your desired location. I'm just going to go ahead and say, for example, drop it here, and then as you can see, the moment you do that, you should be able to see here the street view. Now you can go ahead and try to click this one right here, and then as you can see, it is going to move just like so. So that is the easiest way in order for you to get that done, but that's not alone. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another one. So we're going to find another location, say for example this one right here. Now another thing is, the moment you click that one over there, you should be able to see here an option for street view. So you can go ahead and click on it, and the moment you do that, still the same thing, you are going to see what you have seen earlier. So again, everybody, this is how it is done. I hope this video helps you out.